let me show you how we can enter and exit the download mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. In order to go to the download mode, you need to prepare a USB cable. So for example, I have this one over here. And you also need a computer or a laptop. You will have to connect your phone to a computer or laptop. But before you do that, first we need to turn off our phone. So I'm gonna turn it off via the quick settings panel over here. In the upper right corner, we can tap on this power button to open the power menu, of course. And then we're gonna shut it down. You need to wait for the phone to completely turn off. But once that happens, what you're gonna do is you're gonna plug the cable in. You want to connect your phone to the computer right now over there, and once you do that, once you plug it in, immediately after that you want to press and hold both volume buttons at once. You will have to press and hold them until you enter the download mode. So let's give it a try. I'm gonna plug it in and then press and hold both volume buttons, and now just wait. Now shortly after that you should be able to see that you are in the download mode. Unfortunately, it seems that it is really dark, but perhaps you can notice that there is like a text or something on this screen. For some reason it's not that bright, it's like dimmed totally, but still we are right now in the download mode. Now if you want to exit the download mode, you need to press and hold the power button and volume down button. You can actually unplug the cable if you want to. We don't need it if you want to exit it. So I'm gonna just press and hold both of these buttons, and then we need to wait for the screen to shut it down. It takes 7 seconds to shut it down. Once that happens, you can release both buttons and then just wait to allow the phone to turn itself back on. It might take some time to let the phone turn itself back on, but generally speaking, you don't have to press and hold the power button anymore, so you just have to be patient. It might take even a minute to turn the device back on. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.